I don't know if you can see this right now, but there's a kid on rollerblades behind this white car. Oh, now he's going, but he was just like in the lane with the car. You never see anyone on rollerblades anymore. That was interesting. Justin's not feeling very good today. So after that last clip, Justin wasn't feeling well today. I kind of got a stomachache later. We got Subway and we did a few things. We watched Smurfs 2 and that's pretty much all we did today. So it wasn't very eventful. So this wasn't a very long vlog. Yeah, I don't have much to say about that, but see you tomorrow. Make sure if you're enjoying these daily videos that we do, that you like and subscribe and thumbs up this video and comment if you have suggestions of things you'd like to see, or if there's something you'd like to see me and Justin do, like maybe a fun challenge or game, because we're looking for kind of some more stuff maybe that'd be fun to put up and do on like dreary days like this. But yeah, definitely like, subscribe, comment, and come back tomorrow for more.